How to buy Fatalism token. So this token came under the symbol of TW. Now before we start, this is not financial advice, I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just go below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. So before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account. And as you can see, this token is available on COINEX. To be able to buy this token, what you need to do, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Open your funds wallet for that. Now after that, click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet, of course. Paste the token address here. So click on this token, as you can see. Now here type how much you want to buy. And here we'll be able to see how much resources this is it. Select the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all this information here. After that, click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token without any issue. Now, if you face an issue, in case you face an issue on your My Process, go back to this page. Switch the slippage from your customer because the most of issues came from the slippage, and after that, you can be able to buy this token without an issue. So this is how to buy FTW. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.